What's up, everyone? Just another simple video on how to remove your car's battery. Alright, so my battery's enclosed in this box. I'm going to remove the box top. Alright, and now we're going to remove the airflow duct to the battery box. I've already removed those two screws that holds that in. That whole thing's just going to pull out. For those that don't know, there are two terminals on a battery. The red is positive and the black is negative. You want to remove the negative side first. All I'm going to need is a 10mm wrench. Now I'm going to loosen up the positive side. Now I'm going to remove these two 10mm nuts from the battery brace. Now you can just pick up on the battery brace and remove it. Now before you pick up on your battery, you're going to make sure that these two caps are down tight, because when you remove your battery, you may have to tilt it a certain way to get it out, depending on your car. And if the caps are not on tight, there's a possibility you can get burned by acid. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't already, consider subscribing.